Hey gang, Poppy here. It's a sad day. 12 Marines and a Navy medical corpsman died in Afghanistan, as well as up to 60 Afghans. This is all the fault of George W. Bush and Donald J. Trump. George for starting the fucking war, and Donald for negotiating with the Taliban, setting a hard limit on when we would leave. My sympathies are with the families of the American servicemen. I'm sorry your son or daughter died for the power of George Wanker Bush and Donald J. Trump. As for the U.S. House of Representatives, when they voted to start that war, only one person, Barbara Lee, didn't vote for that war. Everyone else who was in the House of Representatives at that time is culpable. George couldn't have started that war unless you voted for it and paid for it. You control the purse strings.